In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This way, you won't miss any of the helpful content we share, so let's dive right in. First off, if you haven't already, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to gumroad.com. If you have an existing account, simply log in using your credentials. If you are new to Gumroad, creating an account is simple and straightforward. Follow the prompts to sign up so you can have access to all of their features, including the ability to customize your domain. Once you're logged in, you'll be looking at your Gumroad dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now what you want to do next is find the settings option. Typically you'll locate that on the left-hand sidebar, but if it's not there, it might be under your account profile. Just click on it, and it will bring up a menu where you can access different settings for your account. After you've clicked on Settings, you should see several options appear. You want to focus on the Advanced section of the settings. In this area, you'll find important options, including the ability to connect a custom domain. Custom domains can help enhance your branding and give your business a more professional appearance, so it's definitely a useful feature to use. Once you're in the Advanced settings, look for the section that mentions Custom Domain. You might see a field that already has some text in it. Don't worry about that. What you want to do is enter your new domain name into the specified area. Make sure it's accurately typed, as even a small typo could lead to issues later on. If you've purchased a domain from a registrar, this is where you'll enter that domain name. After entering your custom domain, it's time to update your settings. There should be a button that says Update Settings or something similar. Click on that button and give it a moment to process. You might see a notification confirming that the update has been successful. Now here's an important point to remember. Adding a custom domain is only the beginning. You need to ensure that your domain is pointed to Gumroad correctly for everything to work seamlessly. This means logging into your domain registrar, that's the site where you bought your domain, and configuring the DNS settings. This can seem a little technical, but stick with me and I'll walk you through it. Navigate to the DNS settings on your domain registrar site. You're typically looking for something labeled as DNS Management or Records. Here, you'll add a CNAME record. The CNAME record should point to Gumroad. This typically looks something like yourdomain.com pointing to gumroad.com. Once you've made these changes, it can take a little bit of time for everything to propagate across the internet, usually up to 48 hours, but often much faster. During this time, it's essential to be patient and check back periodically to see if your new custom domain is working properly. After the waiting period, try to type in your custom domain into a new tab and see if it directs you to your Gumroad page. If everything was set up correctly, you should see your Gumroad product show up beautifully under your new domain name. And that's it! You've just successfully added a custom domain to your Gumroad page. You can now share this new link with your audience, friends, and family to help drive sales and increase your brand's visibility. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. It really helps us out and shows us that you appreciate the content we create. Keep an eye out for future tutorials and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.